The 12-month grace period for student loan borrowers is over. Consumer reporters John Matarese and Taylor Nimmo join us with the important information you need to know if you have student loans.
This 12-month grace period for student loans was put into place to ease the transition after 3 years of no payments due to the pandemic.
And I spoke with a financial wellness coach, so if you haven't made a payment in years, here's what you need to know.
One of the first things people will experience is shock. You haven't had to pay a student loan for quite some time, so obviously this new expense is going to throw a wrinkle in your financial plans.
Al Riddick says one of the first things you should do is review your loan status and terms.
Make sure that you look at your loan balances, your interest rate, as well as your repayment terms.
And if you don't make your payments,
How would that impact your credit score?
With your loan servicer for about 3 months, they aren't going to report you to one of the 3 major credit bureaus, but at that 3-month time span of being late, that's when you get reported.
once you hit 8 months, you will be considered delinquent.
The 9-month period is very special because that's when you'll be considered in default. And that's where your whole world just gets turned upside down.
Default status can hurt your credit score and make you ineligible for additional assistance. If you're struggling to afford your payments, start looking at your options. Riddick says you should take advantage of employer benefits.
A lot of corporations are now providing student loan assistance to employees. So if that is a benefit your employer offers and you don't take advantage, shame on you.
He says it's important to understand your repayment options.
You also have opportunities for the income-driven repayment plan.
With an income-driven repayment plan, how much you pay each month is based off of your personal earnings. Riddick says some people don't realize that student loan interest can be tax deductible.
If you can deduct up to about $2,500, of course, that's assuming your income doesn't exceed a certain amount. So seek professional advice when it comes to taxes.
Taylor Nimmo, WCPO 9 News.